Do not rely on gloves. With coronavirus, they can harm you. During the time when the coronavirus is raging outside the window, gloves and masks have become a common remedy. But instead of protection, they can seriously harm us. Gloves are effective only for a very short period of time, because the material from which they are made is porous. Doctors use them to protect their hands from blood or other substances, and after they are removed they must wash their hands. Gloves do not provide the necessary sterility. Viruses can also get on latex or nitrile, and live on them for some time. And if a person accidentally touches a face, he also risks being infected. In addition, gloves interfere with skin respiration. A favorable environment for the development of bacteria is created under them. Therefore, you should not blindly trust the gloves and believe that if you wear them, then you are guaranteed not to get infected. This is not true. Gloves should be changed regularly, and after using them, wash your hands with soap. And of course, you can't touch your face with your hands even with gloves on. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.